In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up email funnel flow in Klaviyo. To get started, you will be working inside Klaviyo, so make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the dashboard, you will want to find the section where all automation lives. This is where Klaviyo lets you build an email sequence that runs automatically for the right people at the right time. Now, the first thing you will do is go to the Flows area. Look for the menu item labeled Flows, usually found in the main navigation on the left side or along the top, depending on your workspace layout. Click Flows to open the Flows page. This is an important step because it is the hub for building and managing all flow-based automations. After you have opened Flows, you will be ready to create a new flow. Find the option that says Create Flow. This is typically a button near the top of the Flows page. Click Create Flow to begin the setup. At this moment, Klaviyo will usually guide you through choosing a flow type or selecting a template. Taking this step now ensures you build the correct kind of automation from the start, instead of starting from scratch. Once the Create screen loads, you will see a search field or area where you can look for templates. The instructions for this workflow specifically tell you to search for Welcome Series. So, go ahead and type Welcome Series into the search box and let Klaviyo filter the templates. This step matters because the Welcome Series is designed to quickly get you into a proven structure for email onboarding and engagement. Now that the search results are visible, you will want to select the template card that matches the Welcome Series. Take a moment to look at the card details on screen so you can confirm you are selecting the right template. Selecting the correct template is helpful because it sets the foundation for the flow you want, and it saves you time compared to building everything manually. After you find the right template card, click the Create Flow button associated with that template. This action tells Klaviyo that you want to use this template as the starting point for your new email funnel flow. Once you click Create Flow, Klaviyo will begin creating the flow for you, and you can then move forward with any additional configuration that your setup requires. At this point, you are no longer just browsing. You are officially creating the workflow that will power your email funnel flow. In the next part of your process, you would typically review the flow settings and make any adjustments needed. But for now, your main goal is simply to set up the flow in the correct place using the correct template. To recap what you just did, you navigated to Flows, opened the Create Flow screen, searched for Welcome Series, selected the appropriate template card, and clicked Create Flow. Each of these actions builds on the last one, starting from the correct menu location and ending with a flow template that gives you a strong starting point. That covers everything you need to know for getting your email funnel flow set up in Klaviyo. And that is all there is to it.